Hey guys, Jordy from Vidia here. Just a video showing you how to update the firmware on an Android 13 T series. So first you want to go to System and you want to take note of this number. So that's the app version. So that's the number that's going to change. And then this number here on the MCU version. So these two are what's going to change, and you're going to be able to tell if your update's been successful. So you go to our Vidia website to the T series downloads page and download the zip file. So you want to unzip this and go into this file, and you want to just see the two files. So one will be zipped and we'll say update 13, and the other one will be rlc0.bin. Do not change these names. If there's any additional numbers, it could be that it's been re-downloaded again. So you want to then transfer these files to your USB and make sure those two files are on there. And then we're going to put them on the USB and download them to the T-Series head unit. Okay, so you're going to see this little symbol up here. That means it's registered the USB, and it's going to pop up straight away, so you don't need to press anything. And then you're just going to press upgrade. Do you want to apply this update? Okay, and then it will start. So the head unit is going to reboot automatically after the update has processed, and then it will bring you back to the home screen. So now you've done the firmware update, it's time to do the MCU update. So you're going to go to System, System, Upgrades, MCU Upgrade, and it will start loading, and then it will reboot after it is finished. Okay, so once it's rebooted, then you go to System, System, Software Version, and you'll see that the numbers have changed here for the MCU and the app version, and then you're all done. Thanks guys.